Alright guys, on today's video I'm gonna show you how I grow my walking stick kale spinach. Well, the season right now is September, spring, so it's a great time to plant your spinaches. So right now I am going to take you through how I grow my walking stick kale spinach without seeds. Now as you can take a look at this stem right here, it has produced some nice branches. Now these branches can be utilized to grow fresh new walking stick kale spinach. So what we are going to do right now is to break off these branches here. After breaking off these branches here, we are going to repot every single branch in a pot full of soil, and then we will root it. Now repotting the spinach first helps to rooting and to make sure that your branches get used to soil and water. In many cases, if you plant it in your garden without rooting it first, it will decay here at the back. So I am going to take you through how I do the repotting. So I am going to break off all these branches here, and then after breaking them off, we are going to root them. Now guys, if you like my videos, please like and subscribe on the YouTube channel. Your support is much appreciated. Right now I am going to show you the branches, and then I will show you the next phase of repotting and rooting. So these are the branches, as you can see. Now let's go to the rooting phase. Now for rooting you need fresh fertile soil. Now in this pot right here I have a mixture of banana peels and grass. So rooting may take time, probably about 2 to 3 weeks. So have patience. So what we are going to do right now is to place our walking stick kale spinach branches inside the pots. There is no right way to do it, but you can do them like this. After this process here, you are going to water your walking stick kale spinach branches. Now that we have potted our walking stick kale spinach branches, we have to water them. Now make sure that you do not flood the whole plant with water, as we do not want our branches to decay underneath. So what we are going to do is to make sure that we water our branches twice a day, morning and afternoon. Morning around 7 a.m. and in the afternoon around 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. Now, to see that your branches have rooted, you will see the leaves of the branches growing big. And then by then, it is time to plant them in your soil garden.